You just tell me what you found out. You tell me what this person do, and then you tell me how you can benefit from the relationship you have just created. 2 minutes. Can you go first? Let's take this as an opportunity. We've heard the beautiful lady singing. So far, I know that what she does is singing. So can you tell me what you've been able to find out about her? Let's see. Put your phone and so on. This is the person you can get to, and you'll be able to retrieve your device. And that is the importance of communication. That is the importance of this type of event. As individuals, when you come to such events, you should ensure that you network. That is very important. And going on, my name is Nsom Emmanuel. I am a software developer, as well as I am the CEO of Unibi Agency and the co-founder of Sky8, that is a tech company, and that is all about me.